Welcome back to DOCONCHAIN. Now let's sign a document using our quick sign feature. But first, here is an example email request that will be received by the recipient once the document is sent out. If Make My Organization as the issuer has been selected, the sender email will be the company or the organization name via DOCONCHAIN. The subject line is also by default, but can also be customized for better recognition. Here you can see the logo of the organization as part of our branding feature. This logo is also clickable, which leads to the website or the link that you put on your organization settings. Below you can see the information about the issuer, the creator, and the document. This includes the document file name, document description, and the message, which can all be customized on the project settings. To sign a document, just simply click here and you will be redirected to the document for no account creation or to our sign up modal if account creation is required. This means that you need to sign up first or create an account with DOCONCHAIN before finally viewing and signing your document. To edit your signature, you can click on the signature box and update your signature based on the given options. Once done, you can hit confirm and it will update your signature. Then you can click on the sign here to attach your signature. You can also adjust the size and reposition your marks if the option is given. To edit the text box, you can click on the icon and start editing. You can also do the same for the date using the drop-down of our calendar. Once done, you can click on the check mark to indicate that you're finished with the editing. Once all done, you can hit the Finish button and a confirmation modal will appear. Here you have an option to receive an email notification when the document is completed, which you can click or unclick based on your preference. Once done, you can hit confirm and the document will be done. You will then receive an email notification of the document completion once everyone has signed on your document. That's it for our quick sign feature. See you at the next video. Thank you.